Hi, Algebra. This is Chapter 7, Section 8, factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. This is just going to be Section 1 on factoring out the greatest common factor from a trinomial. So here's example A. It's 3x squared minus 6x minus 24. Your first task is to determine what is the greatest common factor. So the greatest common factor of 3, negative 6, and negative 24. In this case, it's a positive 3. So let's factor out that positive 3. And so 3x squared minus 3, divided by 3 is x squared. Negative 6x divided by 3 is negative 2x. And then negative 24 divided by 3 is negative 8. All right, the second task is now to look at C. And let's figure out what are the factor pairs for negative 8. So we have a factor pair of negative 1, 8. Then we have the flip-flop of that. We have a 1 and a negative 8. We also have a negative 2 and 4. And then finally, the flip-flop of that, we have a 2 and a negative 4. So I think we'll all agree that these factor pairs all equal negative 8. Okay, and there are no other factor pairs. Now we need to figure out, okay, which factor pairs equal negative 2, right? So we need the factor pairs that give us C as a product, but then we need the factor pairs that give us a sum of negative 2. So this gives us a sum of 7. These two give us a sum of negative 7. This pair gives us a 2. And finally, this pair gives us a sum of negative 2. Again, we want negative 2. So this is the pair we want. So now we're going to take this and we're going to create two quantities. All right, again, positive 2 and negative 4. Positive 2 and negative 4 give us this negative 8. And because x squared is a square, this is just x and this is just x. So now we'll just check our work, and this is x times x is x squared. I'm going to jump to the ends here. 2 times negative 4 is negative 8. And then the most, well, I guess not the most important part, but x times negative 4 is negative 4x. And then 2 times x is 2x. So negative 4x plus 2x is negative 2x. So then this is our answer. All right? 3 times the quantity of x plus 2 times the quantity x minus 4.